Hey everyone, Dan here from the iPod Touch World, and today my mate and I will be showing you guys how to fix an iPad 2, iPad 3 and an iPad 4 broken screen. We replaced the screen on the iPad 3rd generation, but the same exact steps can be followed to replicate this and basically fix your iPad 2nd and your iPad 4th generation. It's a very full-on process and it was a difficult repair, but overall it was satisfying and it took us around 2 hours to complete. It was a very long process, like I said, and you need to make sure you have all of the correct tools to really help you out. I will have a link in the description below to check out the eBay page that I used to buy all of the tools and the replacement screen. In this video we are only replacing the digitizer, which is basically the front panel with the touch elements to it, and underneath it is the LCD screen, which is a bit more of an expensive repair. This one was only around $33 I think it was, or $35, so a relatively cheap repair. If you took it into a proper repair store, they'd probably charge you $100 to $150, so this is definitely well worth the time, and it was a very fun process. I've never personally seen an iPad screen crack this much. It splintered in all directions and we had glass all over the floor. Before we get into this video, I would really like to know in the comments below what you guys think about the new Google Plus commenting system. I'd also appreciate it if you could share your comments. That way my video will be shared on Google Plus and hopefully we can make this a popular video. It's not a tutorial video per se. I will be showing you all of the different steps and basically everything to fix the screen, but it's not a tutorial. There are many tutorials out there and there's no real point in posting another tutorial as such. This was the first time we've ever done it, so it was basically just a step-by-step of how to do it, and we are amateurs at repairing screens, so this was a really fun installation. But apart from that guys, I'm going to turn up the music now and let you guys enjoy, so peace.